In this video, I will explore the effectiveness of the PureVlab Sun-Free Glow Microdarts patch to see if it truly offers a viable alternative to traditional tanning methods. When we compare these patches to standard self-tanning lotions or sprays, the immediate standout contrast is the application method. Instead of a messy wipe or liquid, this product uses microdart technology to deliver a natural bronze from within. The trade-off is often found in the price point and quantity, as a single box of 7 patches retails for $29.99, which is significantly more expensive per application than a large bottle of tanning mousse. However, for those who struggle with orange streaks or uneven spraying, the promise of a mess-free, targeted glow is a major selling point. Looking closer at the features, these Luhaka brand patches are designed for all skin types and tones, offering benefits beyond just color, including moisturizing and firming properties. While the side-by-side comparison with sun exposure reveals a safer, UV-free path to a golden brown look, user feedback is quite polarized, sitting at a 1.4-star rating. This suggests that while the concept of a deep glow from within is innovative, the results may vary wildly compared to professional salon sprays. If you prefer convenience and precision over bulk volume, this microdart approach wins for portability. Thanks for watching our deep dive into this sunless tanning trend. Let me know in the comments if you would trade your tanning mitt for a patch. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty reviews.